doing?
Just games. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Okay?
Yaya's coming.
It's coming. You have to wait for Yaya.
You have to wait, okay?
Aiden, what did Mommy and Daddy say? No touch. You have to just sing
Okay.
and then blow.
Let's not bury it all in there.
Let's let that one last.
Okay, first sing. Don't blow yet. First sing. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John John. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow.
Blow.
Wow.
Blow, Aiden. Blow with Uncle John John. Say, help me, Uncle John John.
Help me.
Say, help. Yay! Clap your hands, Aiden. Say yay. Can you take out the candles? Can you pull them out and give them to Uncle John John? Oh, all right. I didn't think about that.
Put her apart.